Morning, students. We were doing chapter 3rd. We have completed reading and explanation of the chapter. Now it's time to exercise. Exercise A. Write right or wrong for the following statement. It means identify the statement which is right and which is wrong. First, all living beings need food to live and grow. This is right statement because we all need food to live and grow. So right. Second, deer, zebra and giraffe are domestic animals that are herbivores. This is wrong because deer, zebra and giraffe are domestic. This is wrong क्योंकि they are herbivores but they are wild animal. That is why this statement is wrong. Third, camels swallow their food without chewing it. Yes, this is right. Camel swallow their whole food without chewing it. Next, carnivores chew their food properly. Wrong. Carnivores swallow the large piece of food without chewing. That is why this is wrong statement. Next, frog have long and sticky tongue to catch their prey. Right. Because frog do not chew the food. That is why frog have long and sticky tongue which is help in catch the prey. This is right statement. Exercise B. Choose and write the correct option. Which of the following is herbivores? Zebra, cheetah or crow? Zebra. Zebra is herbivore. Second, dash have flat and strong teeth. Herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Flat and strong teeth herbivores have, not carnivores or omnivores. Okay. Third, dash swallow their food whole without chewing it. Snake, frog, both of these. The correct answer is both of these because snake and frog, both the animals swallow their food whole without chewing it. Fourth, omnivores use their incisor to dash. Tear flesh, bite food, none of these. So, omnivores use their incisor to bite food. Incisor teeth help in biting the food. Next, butterfly has dash to suck the nectar of flower. Gland, long tube, big mouth. No, butterfly do not have big mouth and gland. Butterflies have long tubes. So the right answer is long tube. Exercise C. Answer the following question, which we will see later. Exercise D. Who am I? Identify the animal and write the name. I bite leaf with my front teeth. It's goat. I bring back grass to chew it properly. It's cow. Third, I gnaw nuts with chisel-like teeth. It's squirrel. Squirrel have squirrel gnaw nuts with chisel-like teeth. I catch my prey with sticky tongue. It's frog. You can easily identify the picture of frog. I lap milk with my tongue. This is dog. Now, next is thinking question. Name two animals that swallow their food. I have explained frog and snake swallow their food whole. So the answer is frog and snake. Frog and snake do not chew the food. Second, which is the tallest animal in the world? The tallest animal in the world is giraffe. Okay, so we have completed thinking question. Okay, now it's time to your activity. Form an animal club. Find out about the animals on the earth that are extinct or are about to become extinct. Make a chart about each animal and display in your class. First of all, see all the animals and just collect the information about the animal and which animal that extinct means termination of a kind of organism or of a group of kinds, usually species. The moment extinction is generally considered to be the death of the last individual of the species, although the capacity to breed and recover may have been lost before this point. Okay, so you have to make the chart of these type of animal and show me in the class. Okay, this is your project work you have to do. Now let's do the word meaning of the lesson. Word meaning of the lesson. First word is feed. Feed means eat. Next, flesh. Flesh means meat. Next, swallow. Swallow means eat without chewing. Next, gripping. Gripping means hold with the claws. Next word is gnay. Gnay means cutting the food with front teeth. Next word is nectar. Nectar means sweet liquid of flower. Next word is lapping. Lapping means drink with tongue. Next word is suck. Suck means draw into the mouth. Next word is herbivores. Herbivores means animal that eat only plants. Next word is carnivores. Carnivores means animal that eat flesh of other animal. The last word is scavenger. Scavenger means animal that eat dead animal. So these are your word meaning. Write in the notebook. Now question answer. Question number first. What type of food do herbivores eat? The answer is herbivores eat grass, leaves and plants. Second question is by mistake I have written in the second place third question, so it does not matter. You can write whatever you want. Okay. Question number second. What is chewing of cud? The answer is some herbivores like cow, sheep and camel swallow their food without chewing it. After some times, they bring back their food into mouth and chew it properly. This is called chewing of cud. This is your second question. Now, third question is, what are omnivores? The answer is, animals that eat both plants and animal are called omnivores. Example, dog, crow and man. Next question is question number 4. What types of teeth do the omnivores have? Answer. Omnivores have sharp teeth like carnivores and also have flat teeth like herbivores. Question number 5. What is lapping? The answer is dogs and cat use their tongue to drink water and milk. This is called lapping. So, these are your question and answer. Write in your notebook. Okay? These are the word meaning. Okay. The lesson 3rd is finished now. We have completed reading, explanation, meanings of hard words, right, wrong, choose the correct option, exercise, identify the animals like this. Who am I? This is. Okay. Thinking question. Your project which you have to do in your home. Collect the information about the animal which become less day by day and make a proper chart and display in the class. And word meaning and the question answer. So the lesson is complete now.